Okay, so the objective for this evening is actually pretty simple. Wheel wells, the rear wheel wells, those need to be all welded up. Oh god, these cutters suck. This we do not need. Ow, look. Not quite there. A little bit more trimming. Alright, well, not too shabby I guess, way too thick, like here and over here, but nah, not too bad. Fun fact, I'm out of gas. Kind of. It's that low, it won't read on the pressure gauge, but the, whatever, flow, it's not a flow meter, flow gauge maybe, I don't know what you want to call it. Let me turn it and see how much pressure we can get. See, we have enough to pressurize the flow, but not enough to register on that. How come every time I try to close out a video, I lose my train of thought? So, cool thing, gentleman was just out here with an RB25 S13, and I'll call it an S13 because it was a coupe with S13 front end. It wasn't a hatchback with an S13 front end. It wasn't a hatchback with pop-up headlights. It wasn't a coupe with pop-up headlights, even though a coupe with pop-up headlights is still technically, I guess, an S13 because it's a coupe. That was the designation. S13 was a coupe. The 180SX was a hatchback. So that's out of the way. It was pretty cool to... He gave me a look around the car. It's dark. There's no point in filming. It won't show up for shit. So, the car's coming along. I think it turned out really well doing that. And it wasn't perfect. I need to pay a little bit more attention to how the metal's moving in and out when I'm tack welding. I need to get a stronger magnet so it'll hold it in place a little bit better. But other than that, I think it worked out good. I went ahead and put some fiberglass resin jelly and started working. I'm going to start body working this quarter panel back here and trying to fix it, because I knew I was going to run out of gas and I wouldn't be able to get it till who knows when, maybe next Thursday, so a week away literally. I don't have access to a vehicle till then, till that's when the next time I'll be able to go get it. So I bought a bunch of stuff, which I'll go over in the next episode, because we're going to start body working on this thing. We're at least going to start doing part of the roof and stuff like that, and patches, just trying to get basically stuff lined out. And we're going to go from there. Thank you guys for watching, and 2 people that comment, awesome. I'm trying to catch episodes up, because obviously it is kind of running behind. I think we're still running about 2 weeks behind. So I'm trying to catch them up. I think I'm going to go ahead and release a couple extra episodes just because I can, I guess. Because I was going to do it, Tuesday and Friday? No, Tuesday and Thursday. And I think now I'm going to do Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday for the next couple weeks to try to kind of cinch up that time gap so that people on Instagram... a buddy of mine was like, what the heck is going on with your car? I watch your YouTube video and then I see you have a welder. And that was when I posted the thing about the welder. That was a week after, or a couple days after I got it, and the episode is just now up. It's 15 days out. So, yeah. I'm just going to stop talking. I do this at the end of every episode, and someday I'll learn. So remember, it's not what you know. Shit. I ruined it. I'm just going to leave it where it's at.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school. So you can feel cool. Give it to me, baby. Baby. Yeah.